little baby. Your eyes have never seen the sun. You should know, little baby, that I am the lucky one.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ruth and this is baby River. He is actually 7 months old today and I'm going to show you in this video our morning routine. Of course, this is not set on stone. This morning routine is just what we strive for every single day para magkaroon ng stability and consistency yung days niya. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. The two of us really work hard on it. And let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to this video. So today I'm gonna show you our morning routine. Our morning will usually start at 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning, where River will be our human alarm clock. And the first thing I would do is I would change his diaper. So right here you can see I'm changing his diaper on the table. It was just a table with a simple rubber sheet that we put on top of it. And yeah, this is usually our bonding moments in the morning. I really love talking to him and looking at him, especially early in the morning, because that's the time that he is in such a good mood. He's just looking around, playing around, staring, and just hilarious. So he will just be looking at me and it's so cute. This baby is so cute. So right after that changing of diaper, we would proceed with our first meal of the day, which is the time for him to breastfeed. And it's so funny, he started talking back to me a few days ago. I'm gonna show you right here a clip where he is talking. So comment down below if your baby also does the same thing, na parang nakikipag-usap siya sa'yo habang nagbe-breastfeed siya. This is so funny. So after feeding, we make sure na we burp our baby. So just tap his shoulder, his back like this. And then I will put him down, and this is usually the time where his father will take him out to the sun. Ibibilad siya sa araw, and then when his father does that, I will have the time to go and have some me time, brush my teeth, hilamos, maligo. And also while they are outside, I will prepare our breakfast. I will usually have tea and John coffee, and then I will have oatmeal, and today we just have baguette for our breakfast. And here is baby while we are both having our breakfast. We just put him back on a t-shirt kasi usually when they go sunbathing, wala siyang damit, just the diaper. And right now he is starting to look at the stars sa kanyang swing. He started discovering them, which is so cute. Ayan, he's just like a boss baby. So behave right there habang kami ay kumakain. So cute. Ayan. So after we eat, I will convert our dining table into his bath area. We will strip him off and then put him in his little bathtub here, and I will bath him. I'm always very when I'm very hands-on sa kanya kasi I always want to be the one to bath him, just to make sure na everything is okay, hindi siya ma-injured. So I will put baby oil on him, and then I will wash his hair with lactacid. Ayan. And he is so chill at this filming of this video. He's really cooperating. He's turning out to be a little stunner, our baby. So little close-up look yan. Chill na chill siya habang naliligo. Tuwang-tuwa naman siya. He likes it, and we are both very happy. Ayan, nabasa na siya dyan, no? Pero it's okay. So these are the things that I use sa bath. So, Johnson's baby oil and lactacid. and I will usually play with him while he's in the bath. He really enjoys the water. Like 50% of the time he enjoys the water, and the other 50 he will be crying all throughout bath time. So you never know what you'll get with babies. Ganun naman talaga. So we're just very lucky today na he is cooperating so much. Hello, baby! Ligo-ligo ikaw! Ligo-ligo ikaw po! Sarap ligo mo! And when we are done taking a bath, we will put him back here and dry him up with this little towelette na may hood. And yan, we will give him his lotion and his little baby massage at this time. Just make sure na he is ready for the day. So I use the Cetaphil baby lotion on him. I really like the way it smells, and yun lang kasi yung nabili ko rin yung before I give birth. So that's the one I'm using right now. So I put it all over his body. And then I also use that lotion to massage his legs. And then I put on a diaper on him. And put on the manzanilla sa kanyang tiyan para hindi siya kabagin. So I always put it all over his tiyan area. Yun. And the next thing that we will do is we will put on clothes on baby. So he is still on his newborn clothes. So this one is, he's almost mas malaki na dito. So we make sure na I'm wearing his newborn clothes ngayon para hindi naman masayang. So lahat ng mga newborn clothes niya sinusuot na namin everyday. I really like this shirt, onesie. Galing sa Carter's, padala to ng kanyang lola. And I just like it so much na onesie sila kasi hindi na-expose yung belly niya pag ganyan. So less kabag for him. So today medyo umuulan-ulan, so I decided to put on some pajamas on him as well. And then later on, look at this baby. He found the camera and then he is staring right into it. You looking at the camera, baby? You like the camera? Huh? You like the camera? So, ito na ang ating finished look. Our little baby and his little baby OOTD of the day. Yan, nakasuklay na yung hair niya. Now, he has his gloves from SON, shirt from Carter's, pajama from SON, and socks from Carter's. So, that's our OOTD for today. Hello guys! Hi! So now by this time, what we would usually do is feed him again after his bath. After his bath, that's his second snack time, breastfeed him again, and then we will burp him again. And I wasn't able to film that, but right here, after feeding and burping, I will put him on his wing again so that he would have some time to chillax and just look around while I'm working around the house. He recently discovered the stars dito sa kanyang swing, so that is just so cute. He just keeps on staring at them until na makatulog siya, which is really, really cute. While he is playing with the stars, it's time for me to clean up all the mess ng aming pagliligo. It get me some time to do a little bit of cleaning. Yan, and arranging the area. And just like that, our baby is fast asleep like magic. So I'm going to end our video here. By this time, we are already preparing for lunchtime. And so that's our morning routine, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed creating the video for you. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to get more videos like this. I also have another video which is showing my pregnancy morning routine when I was still pregnant with this little one. And if you're into those kinds of videos, check that video out. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Oh, I already said that. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!